Welcome viewers. Let's start with our top focus this hour. The constituent parties of the India bloc are expecting to put up a massive show of strength today at Jharkhand. And this is of course at the scheduled rally in Ranchi as the country approaches the remaining 6 phases of the Lok Sabha elections. Leaders from 14 political parties, top leaders including Mallikarjun Kharge, Lalu Prasad Yadav, Farooq Abdullah, Akhilesh Yadav and Sunita Kejriwal, wife of Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal, they'll all be present at the opposition's India bloc rally. Now, Sunita Kejriwal, accompanied by Bhagwant Mann and Sanjay Singh, has already arrived at the Ranchi airport, while Priyanka Chaturvedi will be representing the Uddhav Thakere's party at the Ranchi rally. Led by Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, the rally will be held in Jharkhand capital's Prabhat Tara ground.
What is left of the India alliance is the question. It is their prerogative if they want to come together in this rally, but the point is that the people have rejected them, and those that pretended to be corruption-free have been proven to be the most corrupt. On the other hand, you have a Prime Minister and Prime Minister Modi that has worked tirelessly to ensure that 60 crore Labhartis have benefited to schemes, and not through theatrics and optics, but through hard work and diligence. And as our Prime Minister says, he's not interested in just making headlines like the India Alliance is interested in. He is interested in deadlines and living up to that commitment.
जो गठबंधन के लोग तो पिछले 1.5 साल से बैठक कर रहे हैं, 2 साल से, और जिन्होंने महागठबंधन इंडी गठबंधन बनाया था वही अब हमारे साथ है, नीतीश कुमार जी। इसलिए इस गठबंधन का क्या कोई स्वरूप ही नहीं है। 2019 में भी हारे थे, 2024 भी इंडी गठबंधन हारे।
देखिए, सीधी बात है कि मन की बात और मनमानी करने वाले के साथ हमारी लड़ाई है। आज जो रैली है, निश्चित रूप से हमारे मुख्यमंत्री, चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्री को जो झारखंड के लोगों ने चुना था, उनको षड्यंत्र और साजिश के तहत स्वतंत्र एजेंसियों को गुलाम बना करके उनको जेल भेजने का काम किया गया। उसको लेकर के सभी लोग आक्रोशित है, झारखंड के लोग। उस निमित्त हम लोगों ने ये रैली आयोजित की है, उलगुलान न्याय महारैली। इसमें सभी लोग शिरकत कर रहे हैं। तमाम लोगों के जो गुस्सा है, जो आक्रोश है, उसको हम एकत्रित करके कहीं ना कहीं सरकार जो अंग्रेजों के समय में अंग्रेजों का साथ देने वाले लोग हैं, हमने अंग्रेजों को भगाया है। महात्मा गांधी के हत्यारे नाथूराम गॉडसे के जो साथी हैं, उनको भी भगाने का काम करेंगे।
ये जो रैली होगी, ये मेरे ख्याल से चौथी रैली होगी। एक बॉम्बे में हुई थी, उसके बाद पटना में हुई थी, दिल्ली में होती है और यहाँ पे हो रही है। और एक रैली हुई थी, वो अलायंस की रैली हुई थी यूपी में भी। तो बड़े रैली का तो फायदा होता ही है। लाखों की तादाद में लोग आज जुड़ रहे हैं और यहाँ से चुनाव का भूल ही नहीं बजेगा। लेकिन ये जो फासीवाद ताकतें हैं, उनके खिलाफ जो है एक जंग की ऐलान जो है यहाँ से किए जाएगी।
As far as the India bloc parties are concerned, it has been a mega rally which has been called out at Jharkhand, at Ranchi, by the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. See, by the amount of people who have gathered for the rally, you can imagine how much the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha was looking for the other political party leaders like Rahul Gandhi, Uddhav Thakere and all the top leaders to be present out here. Now, in fact, to show the solidarity of the India Alliance parties, in fact, JNM have put out chairs with the name of Arvind Kejriwal and Hemant Soren out here, along with the other political leaders who are attending. See, huge cutouts of Arvind Kejriwal and Hemant Soren are already being put out. Now, Rahul Gandhi, Jairam Ramesh says that Rahul Gandhi is not well, and that is the reason why he would be skipping this particular rally. But Mallikarjun Kharge would be attending and would be representing the Congress. But there are other parties like the Trinamool Congress who has decided to send its representative Derek O'Brien, who will be coming here, and also Sitaram Yechury and D. Raja would be also sending there. They won't be attending this rally. And from Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction, it would be Priyanka Chaturvedi who would be attending this rally.
So this is, of course, the mega India bloc rally that we're talking about. A lot of allegations coming in from the opposition about the opposition voices being scuffled. And again, this is a mega India bloc rally that we're looking at in Jharkhand, in Ranchi in particular. And we've got the top netas from the opposition coming here. Already on your screens there, Tejashwi Yadav representing the RJD, Sanjay Singh from the Aam Aadmi Party, Priyanka Chaturvedi who's representing the Uddhav Bada Saheb Thackeray faction of the Shiv Sena. So all in all, this is a mega show of strength from the India Bloc rally. But again, a key point to note here is that the leaders of these parties, these opposition parties, the top leaders are all missing in action. Uddhav Thackeray is not present, Rahul Gandhi is not present, and we're again talking about a lot of leaders who are not here for various reasons. But at the end of the day, a big question that needs to be asked is, while on one hand the BJP is going all guns blazing against the opposition, why is it that the opposition is not yet coming out in full force? Because again, while the parties are here represented by their top leaders, again, the people leading the parties are not present at the rally. But amid all of these questions, we're looking at the opposition's show of strength. Mallikarjun Kharge also, of course, present there. So this is the mega opposition presence there. They're of course being given the token souvenirs as well, and they're being presented there. Mega rally, and the big question here, the big posters that we also saw being put up there were of Arvind Kejriwal and Hemant Soren. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is already in jail, and Hemant Soren, the former Chief Minister, who's in jail. So this is of course one of the big poll planks of the opposition, that their voices are being suppressed by the BJP. We'll of course keep a very close eye on all the developments, and even as the leaders start speaking there. But meanwhile, as the Lok Sabha polls